Howdy, this is Michael Good from reapertrades.com with your daily trade recap on the 18th of March. This is your recap for today and yesterday. Before I talk about the stocks I've traded, just wanted to go on a short little rant about a little company called Biotime. So this is the 4-day chart here. You're looking at a Biotime spiked up big on some drug-related news a couple days ago, and then some faded and faded and faded pretty nicely. Now, I don't have a problem with Biotime. Well, actually I do. But I have a problem with people that look at it and they have no clue about the underlying science behind what they did in the press release they put out, and yet they're still like, oh, this isn't very important news. Do you really know that? Are you smarter than everybody else? Me, I follow the tape, I follow the price action. I might think some news is not very meaningful, and it might be very meaningful because I'm not an expert. But, if you are an expert, you can know that things. I have contacts, lots of contacts in the chemical industry. And, they do drug development. I looked at a blog, my wife referred me to this blog by a very knowledgeable guy who yesterday, I think it was yesterday, basically said Biotime's report was crap. And he said so in very technical language that, I could barely understand. And if you're going to go and try to judge whether news is important or not important without an understanding of, the underlying stuff. I mean, like in chat today, I'm seeing some people talking about Somax. What's their actual company name? Ticker is SOMX. Somaxin Pharmaceuticals. I mean, look at this chart here. Are you really going to say that you're an expert, that you know better than everybody else whether their new, I think it's an insomnia drug, is going to be important or not? People say, oh, there's already other insomnia drugs on the market. Do you know about the side effects of those drugs? Those are some pretty bad side effects. I mean, if they have something that is really good and different and doesn't have those side effects, yeah, it's great. Maybe the stock should triple or quadruple. Who knows? But don't assume that you're an expert when you're almost certainly not an expert. So, getting back to Biotime, I mean, if you have no clue what a telomere is, and if you didn't look at the actual journal article, then maybe you shouldn't be talking about how this is just crap news and that you should automatically short, especially when it didn't go up that much in response to that PR. So, I mean, I just don't understand how people can be so egotistical to think that they know what the truth is on a very technical matter that they're certainly not experts in. I'm at least smart enough to know that I don't know. So, getting on to the actual trade recap here. HM&A, little long scalp here. I played it short a couple times in my Sogo account, made a few $100. So, went up a whole bunch yesterday. I don't know. I'm just completely unable to take any sort of risk after my losses Monday, and then also I had big losses that I did not disclose because I don't disclose these with my super secret trading strategy. So I'm currently in a $4,800 drawdown, and that's not very big for me, but it's still painful. So I haven't been taking the kinds of risks that are good risks, such as going short when it failed to hold above 4 HM&A. Other stocks, I did a couple gappers. What did I have? Let's look at IB. Here's my trades at IB. The gappers I did at OTC stocks I did at Thinkorswim. And AMCG I held overnight. It didn't do anything in the morning. I would have gotten out okay, but I couldn't get filled till an average of 56 cents on this. I tried selling starting with the beginning. I'm opening a new speed trader account. Hopefully that will get me better fills on these OTC pumps I play. But other than that, not a great couple days, and still small profits. So I survive. See you next time.